Saigon, often called the Back Garden of Hong Kong, is famous for its fishing villages, seafood restaurants, stunning beaches, hiking trails, and island hopping tours. While Saigon itself doesn't have many big international hotels, it's dotted with boutique stays, beachside resorts, and nearby luxury hotels in Clearwater Bay and Chatley. The first one is the Pier Hotel. A boutique deep in Saigon, the Pier Hotel offers stylish rooms with balconies overlooking Higi Heaven. Interiors are modern and airy with kitchen teas making long stays comfortable. Guests enjoy the outdoor pool, rooftop lounge, and peaceful harbor views. Its location near marinas make it popular with sailing enthusiasts. Service is warm, creating a homely yet upscale atmosphere, perfect for couples and leisure travelers seeking relaxation. The second one is WM Hotel. WM Hotel is one of the Saigon's newer luxury stays, combining modern design with eco-friendly elements. Rooms are spacious with floor-to-ceiling windows that capture scenes of mountain views. Facilities include an infinity pool, rooftop gardens, and wellness amenities. Its location near Saigon Strong allows easy access to seafood restaurants and hiking trails. Guest love its calm yet convenient setting. It is ideal for travelers who want comfort and proximity to nature. The third one is Hong Kong Gold Coast Hotel. Located in Tuen Mun but popular with Saigon visitors, Gold Coast Hotel is a resort-type property with direct beach access. Rooms are spacious with private balconies overlooking the South China Sea. Facilities include pools, landscape gardens, kids play zones, and multiple dining options. Families particularly enjoy the resort atmosphere. About a drive away, it's worth it for the coastal holiday experience. The fourth one is Hyatt Regency Hong Kong Chateau. A short distance from Saigon, Hyatt Regency is a luxury riverside property with mountain and harbor views. Facilities include a pool, spa, tennis court, and fine dining outlets. Families appreciate the spacious rooms and kid-friendly activities. Its location near University MTR station connects guests easily to the rest of the Hong Kong. The fifth one is Crowne Plaza Hong Kong Kowloon East. This upscale hotel offers modern rooms with panoramic city and sea views. Facilities include a rooftop pool, fitness center, and multiple restaurants, including fine Cantonese dining. Located in Song Pon O, it provides convenient access to Saigon via short drives. Business travelers benefit from its splitting facilities while leisure travelers enjoy its resort-like amenities. The next one is the Arca Hotel. Arca is based in the southern part of Hong Kong Island. The Arca is often chosen by visitors combining Kong with city exploration. The rooms are chic and modern with rooftop pools and lounges offering excellent views. The hotel emphasizes lifestyle experiences with co-working spaces and vibrant dining. While not directly in Saigon, it balances urban comfort with access to nature. The next one is El Hotel Ellen. This stylish hotel offers tech-enabled rooms with modern furnishings. Guests enjoy rooftop pool, restaurant, and convenient transport links. Its location in Guangdong provides easy access to Saigon by road. Popular with business travelers, it also attracts leisure guests who prefer staying in modern surroundings while exploring natural attractions nearby. The next one is Penta Hotel Hong Kong Tuen Mun. This lifestyle hotel features trendy interiors and youthful vibe with game zones, a cafe bar, and spacious rooms. Facilities include a gym and relaxed social area. While not directly in Saigon, it's a practical option for travelers covering both Tuen Mun and Saigon areas. Whose affordable rates with modern style make it popular with young travelers and groups. The second last is Regal Riverside Hotel. Overlooking the Shing Mon River, Regal Riverside is a mid-range hotel with multiple restaurants, a spa, fitness center, and outdoor pool. Its large rooms make it family friendly. From here, Saikong is just a short drive, while the hotel itself connects easily to certain attractions. A balanced choice between affordability and amenities. The last one is WM Express by WM Hotel. This is a smaller, budget oriented sister property of WM Hotel, offering clean, simple rooms at affordable rates. It's located in Saikong town, making it extremely convenient for dining and port tours. For its lakes, luxury amenities, it compensates with location and practicality, ideal for budget conscious travelers who want to stay in the heart of Saikong. Saikong offers a unique blend of seaside relaxation, island adventures, and cultural charm. From luxury escape like WM Hotel and weekly rock to family-friendly resorts like Gold Coast Hotel and practical stays like WM Express. There's a perfect option for every traveler.